This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by signing into Gmail with your Google account. Use a recovery email and phone now so you can regain access later. Once signed in, open the Gmail app or web interface and choose an inbox type that fits your workflow. This affects how messages are sorted. Make sure to add a short signature and profile photo for professional clarity. These small steps reduce friction and establish identity immediately. You now organize incoming mail by creating labels and nested labels to reflect projects or priorities. Labels are your folders without moving messages. Once labels exist, build filters that match sender, subject, or keywords, and set actions like apply label, mark read, or skip inbox so repetitive sorting is automatic. Use Gmail search operators to find messages quickly. For example, from Alice has, attachment newer than 7D narrows results. You wrap up by composing with templates when responses repeat. Enable schedule send to hit recipients at the right time and use confidential mode if needed. Make sure to enable two-step verification and audit connected apps to keep access secure. If something breaks, check storage quota, filter rules, and POP/IMAP settings. Clear browser cache or reinstall the app as a last resort. If mail still won't sync, inspect account permissions and reauthorize access.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.